Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on, dance, baby. Come on, shake it like you mean it, baby.
Hi, you're welcome here. This is me, Elisa, and thank you for stopping by. Please stay tuned because I'm here for you. Yeah, I brought this hair directly from Hair Factory, Wati Hair Factory, guys. This is 18 inches coil hair. From the bag, you notice that there is no customized name on it. If a company orders, that is when they have to customize the bag. This is coming directly from the factory. If you want to start up a hair business, I think this factory is the best when it comes to hair for you to order your hair. I don't just want to go further about their customer service. Let me just stop here for now. This it has 4 comb which you can remove depending on how you customize your hair. It has this strap as well. It has 2 stripes, so even if you don't want to go in with your go to the glue gel or any gum to hold the hair, you are good to go with this one. Can't you see? Can't you see? Okay, guys, look at that. Look at that. Very soft. Like, of course, you know that if you want to get the best out of your hair whenever you buy it, the first thing you have to do is to wash the hair. I'm using Cantu for kids, conditioner, and shampoo. That is what I mix together to wash this hair. After which I go in with my leave-in conditioner. This is Cantu for kids leave-in conditioner. You treat your hair like your natural hair, okay? If you want to get the best out of it. After washing it, I just allow it to air dry and cut off the lace and fix the hair the way I want it, guys. Just wait for that. You can't tell me that. Look at this hair, look at this hair. This hair, let me tell you, is what you want. Yes. Christmas is around the corner. Please just go grab yours. Everything about this hair will be in the description box. Also in the comment section, just go grab yours, guys. I'm trying to make sure the length is being shown. I wonder why it's not really showing here. This is 18 inches. This is something we would love to have. But there's something I noticed about the length by the side. I think the side is like 14 inches while the back is the main 18 inches. I like it this way. I don't know if you don't like it, this is what it has. But me, I think I like it this way. Okay. This is the part. Another thing is the part, guys. Look at this. This is 4 inches, either 4 or 5. I'm not sure. I didn't check what. Sorry, but guys, this is the point where I get the length of this hair, guys.
Shake it like you mean it, baby.
Do
Come
you
on,
like the hair
dance,
types? Would you like to have one for yourself? Okay, please place your order. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned.